So these are all items which comes with the lifelong full body massager. So this is the main machine which I've currently connected to the power supply, and these are the four types of head. Depending on the condition, you can use this four types of head. And if you are using it in a place where there are hair, then they suggest to use this particular cover, so that your hair does not get entangled. So let me just try to switch on this machine, and let's see where that value goes. Good evening. Today we will unbox this nice product which I've received from Amazon. So this is from the brand by the name Lifelong, and for the first time I am buying a product from the brand Lifelong. So this comes with the warranty of 1 year, and I have compared this with many other similar massagers. Most of them were not giving the warranty, and even if they are giving, the warranty was just there for 15 days or 30 days. So that is one reason why I went with this brand, because it is giving almost 1 year of warranty. So looking at the box is nice, and it is quite sturdy, and it comes with the nice handle for carrying also. So this has the picture of the actual massager, and you have four different types of heads which can be interchanged for depending on the purpose. So this is the brand logo, Lifelong handheld full body massager, massage head, those are these things, vibration massage, and it has a speed adjustment knob also, which we will see. Okay, other than that there are not much information. So let's go ahead and open this box. And this I have purchased from Amazon, and I am a Amazon Prime customer, so I got this product for 1200 rupees. Okay, we'll just open the box, and the first part we see is the warranty. And so this cover has two items. One is the user manual, handheld full body massager, and this particular model is LLM 180, and there is a 6-month extended warranty also. It is saying share your experience and get 6-month extended warranty. So 1 year by default warranty is there, and I feel if you review this product on the website, so you will get a additional 6-month warranty. So time being, let me keep this aside. So there is a good foaming, so that your product does not get damaged in the transit. I hope I'm handling it right. Okay, you can see there is nothing else in the box. Let me keep it aside. And this is the actual product with the different types of head. There are three types of head. You can see from the and I am assuming that one type of head is attached to the machine, so maybe we have to remove from there. So let me keep this aside. And this is the actual massager, which is the product, and you can see that the cushioning provided for the product is quite good, and it is custom made for the particular product. in order to avoid damage during transit. So this is the actual product. Let me just open this. First impression, it is quite sturdy and good. There is a on off button, and there is a, you can see some particular pattern which gives a good grip when you hold it, and you can see the Lifelong brand, and there is a sticker from Lifelong full body massager, model number LLM 180, voltage AC 220 volts, power 28 watts, frequency 50 hertz, and also they have given a customer care number directly on the product, which is a good thing. Product is quite sturdy and nice finish, I would say. So that is my first impression of the product. And if you look at the cable, it is quite lengthy and can be used by directly plugging into the socket. And if I have to measure the cable length, it is approximately 1.5 meter. So that is what it is claimed by the seller. And these are the three types of header which are provided, and this is the 4 type header which is already connected. Let me just show you that in the box. So this is first type of header, and this is second type of header, and this is the fourth type of header. And the main header, which is flat, is already connected in the machine, and there is a mesh also, which basically ensures that when you are used on the skin, there is no problem. Okay, and for opening and closing, there is a arrow given. Okay, so this is the mesh they have given. So basically, when you are using on the part where hair is there, so this particular mesh has to be used. Okay, this is the fourth attachment what we are talking about, and you can see that using any type of head is quite easy. So let me use some other head. Yeah, it will take some effort, but I would not say it is too much difficult. And when you manually move it, you can see the eccentric movement. Unlike a mixie, it is not direct rotation. There is a eccentricity, so that larger area is covered. Okay, let me just try to start this without any heads, and we'll just see how are the vibrations. I just connected to the power plug, and it's a 2-pin plug which can be directly plugged into the AC power supply. So let me just try to on. Can you hear it? It is quite comfortable, and I am right now adjusting. With the first click, the machine gets switched on. Then as you increase, the vibration level gets increased. So depending on the use, you have to choose. So first impression is quite good for me. So let me just put the flat massager head, and let me just try to switch it on. You can see the movement. It is actually eccentric movement, so you can just keep it like this. Yeah, it feels good. And basically you are supposed to use this wherever you are having joint pain or muscle pain. So this is not, of course, a permanent solution. So this is for temporary relaxation only. This is sound at the primary level, and as you move up, this is the sound at highest level. Let me try some other head. Let me try this head. Let's see if it is making same noise or more. Okay, I would say almost same. This is the first level of vibration, and this is the highest level of vibration. And also I felt it is very easy to operate. I didn't even read the manual, and I just went with operating the machine. Also, please note that if this particular hair cover is not inserted properly, then it will make huge noise. So something like this, if it has not fitted properly, then it will make such noise. So initially when I tried to fit in first time, so it was not seated properly and it was making lot of noise. So now if you check, it is almost, I would say, like silent operation. So don't take my word for it. So let us just measure the actual sound level of this machine, so that we get the real picture. So I have downloaded this app by the name Sound Meter. It is freely available in the store and also market. So, and as you can see that while we are talking, the values are continuously changing. When I was silent, it was around 50-52s of decibels, and when I'm talking loudly, so it is around 84-85 decibels. So let me just try to switch on this machine and let's see where that value goes. I will just show the demo how it is using. I will remove the cover since I am not using it on the hair. You can just point it at the place where you are having joint or muscle pain, and you can just on the machine and just keep it at that place. And depending on the use, you can increase the speed. Okay, please make sure that you use this cover if you are using near the hair, so that your hair does not get tangled with the rotor of this machine. So that is it. So that is the quick unboxing and review of this nice machine. Personally, I have liked it very much, even though I didn't use extensively now. But overall, the product quality, branding, ease of use, and the warranty, and the price of 1200, so everything just fits. I would definitely recommend this product for anyone who wants to use this. If you have any queries or doubts, just leave your comments. So my personal recommendation is, you can definitely buy this nice piece of machine from Lifelong. Thank